got to wrap it straight up and down and looks the announcer right in the eye. Here. Holy grills. They had one. And he go, I told you, it says freestyle race. That phone, now stick the handle, yeah buddy, going in for the high five, snagging it. Oh yeah, trying to get some fans involved here. Oh yeah, grabbing another one with the balloon in action. Right back, concrete wave. Oh, the dog, let's see it. Yeah buddy, he's got that thing absolutely locked in right now. Let me get back on this thing just like that. The Uber is done and he is out of here. My childhood's Sawyer crop here. It's already slippery as shit. I meant to go 1 inch off the ground, but he's gonna send it for y'all. Let's check him out standing on the back seat. What's he doing? Launching into a wheelie. Had him in here, but folks, he said y'all came out here to the International Expo Center. So we're gonna leave that Bam Bam Jam here. And folks, if he doesn't run me over, or you guys, I think he's going off of it in a wheelie. Come on, what y'all thinking out there, Canada? Let's make some noise for my twin brother. He's lining that thing up. Come on, Shane. He's gonna focus on it. He's gonna turn it around. Only problem, he can't hear you, Toronto. Let's go. Let's leave. Shannon, doing one out of my playbook right now. Look at this, guys. Doing the backwards flamingo. Standing on that cage, using it like a jungle gym. Working that handbrake, slowing it down. Absolutely. Your trick's probably my favorite trick we do. As long as my brother doesn't run me over here, now hit the ramp behind me. Let's go! Shannon doing the wheelie, trying to push me around town. We got this thing locked in. My tire, man, it's Blue Goose tire. Let's roll. All right, I think that's 4. Last show we made it to 5. Can we get 6? I'm gonna take my hand off. Let's roll. These guys are always back and forth. What do you guys think of the action room too? Absolutely cutting it up. And Adam with a Adam is Martinez with a tough one up at each other. You got a hit! To a big combo for the first time. Eagle, and then gets back onto the thing. Kuzman with a kiss. Christian going up top while he's inverted in the air. Man, that sled is flying high. Adam with a end of that speed. He's locking those brakes. Oh! Not quite sticking here, he's gonna go for another end. Locking it up, going around. Doing their big whip. Oh, Superman baby. Martinez.